Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Cinderella's maid outfit on Dress to Impress. So I'm going to remove everything except for the adjustments as per usual. So for the hair, I use this color here. Did I do this one or this one? Okay, I use this one in F6B76A. I used this pony and I did rotate it to 0.65 on the X rotation, and then I used this in the same color. I did some adjustments, Z at 0.61, and then I used this updo. Then I used this one in the first toggle. It's right here. In white, positioned it at Y.55, Z.58, rotated it at X.41, and scaled it to 0.48. Okay, let's go with the fit. Okay. I'm like looking to the left. I use this one. You can use any top that you want, type 2, and then I'm going to select this color, like super dark though, like maybe this dark even. Well, this dark. I'm having some mouse issues, so sorry if it's like not the best tutorial you've ever seen in your life, but then we are going to get this skirt. Also, this requires no VIP if you don't use the broom. The rest is free. Then we're going to color it white, and then the second toggle this color here, A2826A. For the skirt, we're just going to use this. You can either use this one or the witch set. I'm just going to color that the same. Wait, actually we're going to use this color. What am I on about? 6F5646. This one. And then for the sleeves, we're just going to use these long sleeves here in like a really bright blue. Maybe like even just like this one. And then for the tray, I used this purse in all white. And then I use this coconut in the whole toggle. And I just use this pattern to create like a cup pattern, I guess. And then for the shoes, I just selected these shoes in black. They don't have flat shoes, so I have to use heels, or you can be barefooted. Then I just used a broom here. I'm just gonna color this real quick. Like that. And that is your Cinderella before she was Cinderella. I don't know. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.